Okay, everyone wants to know what's going on with race mower. Well, really, not that much. You can see I took the back fenders off. Oh, well, that wasn't in the last video, but I had the back fenders on. I had a hood on. But I put my axle in. This is a go-kart axle. I bought these flange bearings off eBay. Here's the tack. I didn't really get to show all this in the last video. The motor is 18 horse, slightly modified. The exhaust is not finished. I gotta get my rims, tires, all that. And I have spent a little bit of dough on this. I got inch and a half box tubing, and it runs the whole way up to the front. And I got back fenders. I'm slightly modifying them. I'll show you here. See what I've done is, you can see right here, I'm going to cut all this out. I cut down an angle like that side. Then I'm reversing the polaris of it and welding it back on. So it has a like fender flare. I'm going to smooth that on down. Then put some putty on it. See if I can get this out without killing something. So that's what it looks like. Now you can tell this is a 2001 Craftsman. This is a 1994 Craftsman. There's an 8-inch difference of height just in the frame. And I got myself a new tool. It's a high-speed air saw. I'm already in love with it. Took a little safety trigger off of it. I didn't even have it 10 minutes until it came off. That came pain in the butt real quick. I also got a free lawnmower. It's in the back garage. Okay, for next time, don't let Walters get you.